Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Leonardo AI profile. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're going to find 5 options: Home, Modals, Create, My Library, and more. Tap on More from the bottom right corner where you can see categories like Account and Help and Information. Under Account, you can see Manage Subscription, and finally the Share Profile link. Tap on it, then copy the profile link, then you can share it. And guys, that's it. That's how you share your Leonardo AI profile. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.